Hello, this is Welsh ASMR 82. How you doing? Hey, how you doing? So we've done lots of flag games in the past. We're just going to carry on doing this. So I'm going to very noisily take these out, and I'm going to pick one up at random, and I'm going to give you a second or two to think of the name of the country. It's going to be a little test, a little challenge, a little quiz. And as ever, I want you to write in the comment section how you did. Did you get all of them? I know some of you are clever clogs. Did you get none of them? Did I pick some really hard ones? Yeah, this is actually a candle, by the way. Let's just run out. Okay, I'm gonna try it differently to before. Normally I only do 10. I'm gonna try and do as many as I can in the time I've got. It's a nice noise, that, isn't it? If you enjoy the video, don't forget to click like, and if you're new to the channel, hey, I do these all the time, so click subscribe. Okay, we'll start off with this one. I'm gonna fix the camera. There we are. It doesn't wobble around. So if I go like that, it's going to be out of view. There we are. Okay, so this one you'll probably recognise. This is... well, actually, is it the UK? Is it Great Britain? It's Great Britain and Northern Ireland. But even I, as technically a Brit, although I'm very shy to say the word Brit, I'm Welsh. I always forget the distinctions between the UK, Great Britain, and Great Britain. So Great Britain and Northern Ireland is the island of Great Britain itself, which is Scotland, Wales, and England, and Northern Ireland. But is it the UK that has the Isle of Man and Jersey and Guernsey in it as well? There's one of them. There's several that don't include those islands, you see. I'm just miffed because we don't have any representation on the flag. So this is England. Then you've got the cross going that way is Northern Ireland, and then the blue is Scotland, and the white line. But there's no Wales in there. So that's why I'm a bit miffed. Okay, what about this one then? I'm going to go a lot quicker, sorry. Yes, it is Greece, and the capital begins with an A. Athens, correct. By the way, you know the capital of Great Britain, right? It's London. Nice and easy. So good we do it twice. Yes, the USA, everyone knows this flag. Capital. So I learned from when I was in university in Wales, I had an American housemate, and we got really good friends, and we travelled around Europe together backpacking during one of our Christmas breaks. And I used to say Washington all the time, and she was like, if you say Washington, people think you mean Washington State. So just say DC. So I don't know if that's true, but it helped me. So yeah, Washington DC. Because Washington State's like the other side of the world. Picked a harder one for you now. It begins with P. P for penguin. It's Panama. I think the capital of Panama is Panama City. Not entirely sure though. It is Panama, isn't it? I'm pretty sure it is. A clue. It starts with E for echo. It's Egypt. And the capital of Egypt is Cairo. Correct, well done. Qahira in Arabic, Cairo. It is in the Caribbean. Jamaica. Capital of Jamaica. is Johnstown, is it? Something like that. Got me thinking now. It's not Johnstown, is it? What is it? Something like that. I'm sure it's got town at the end. Okay, what about this one? I think this is an easier one, but not like obvious. So it's Germany, Deutschland. And what's the capital of Germany? Yeah, you got it quicker. It's Berlin. Berlin, yeah. I think people recognize this flag a lot nowadays as well. It's quite a cool flag when you think about it. It's Canada. No, I always forget that. Is Ontario the capital or Ottawa? Write a comment. I always forget. I never forget when people tell me because that's how I remember. That's how I learn by making mistakes. Is it Ontario or Ottawa? I know one's the larger area. It's not a state, a territory. But I can't remember which is which. And now you're going to tell me it's neither, aren't you? You might find this one quite difficult. You can always tell with the colours that it's a country where Arabic is spoken. It's one of the Arab League countries. They all have a common theme of these colour schemes. You can see the difference here. This got red at the bottom and this sort of nice, come on mathematicians, what's the word for that? Like a, not a rhombus, but this, what's that shape called? So this is Kuwait. Kuwait city, or Kuwait is the capital of Kuwait. It's quite a small place. This one, with the red banner down the left hand side, is the UAE, and Dubai is the capital of the UAE. Lots of people think Dubai is a country, but it's, well, kind of is. The UAE is the United Arab Emirates, and it's one of the Emirates. Kind of like Wales is in the UK. Dubai is a city, but also an emirate, if you see what I mean. You don't? Okay. This one with the red triangle. Isosceles triangle. With the white star. This is Jordan. And I did a video on Jordan recently on my Arabic channel, and I cannot remember the capital, and I'm embarrassed. Eek. It's really obvious, but it's gone from my mind. I'll come back to it. I'll put it up there. Okay, this one. Do you think this one's difficult? It's Asia. It's a nice flag, actually. It's the Philippines. And is Manila the capital of the Philippines? I think it is. You might not know this one, actually. It's a little bit tricky. It's Lithuania. And do you know the capital of Lithuania? It starts with a V for vendetta. It's Vilnius. 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 I'm still thinking of Jordan's capital, by the way. This is Peru. Lima is the capital of Peru in South America. Lima es la capital de Perú. Let's do this one. This is one of the Arab countries. countries that doesn't have green on it. North Africa. It's relatively small compared to its neighbours, Tunisia, and the capital is actually Tunis. It's a cool flag, I like it. It's Cambodia. I don't know what the capital of Cambodia is, I'll be honest. It's not Phuket, is it? Am I thinking of a place in Vietnam? Oh, no, Thailand. Maybe it is Phuket. Phuket. I might have just made that up. This is the sort of thing I would do. This is a hard level 1. This is like you're leveled up if you know this one. I don't know the capital though. It's hard enough remembering the flag. I am 99% sure of this, but I might be wrong. It is a random one to put in here, to be honest, when certain other countries are missing. I believe this is Timor-Leste, which was a breakaway country from Indonesia, where they speak predominantly Portuguese, and it's one of those, no, panadrome was the word for it. So Timor in the local language means east, and SG means east in Portuguese, so it's called East-East, but in 2 languages. What's that called? So, yeah, that's like a common thing, where you have something named, there's an example in Welsh, hang on, what is it? Oh, the River Avon. So, Avon in Welsh means river, so it's the river. This one I'm actually only 80% sure on, so I need your help with it. I believe this is Mauritius, but it might be the Seychelles, but it's like in that area. I think it's Mauritius, but now I've said Seychelles, I'm wondering. No, I'm sure Seychelles have got like either a triangle or stars or something on it, but it's similar. And I'm not even going to go there with a capital, I have no idea. Port Louis, no, I don't know. If I guessed it correctly, then you need to give me a like. Okay, we'll move Germany because we've already done that. Ah, that's a nice one. Cuba. Havana is the capital of Cuba. This is a random one, but I'm quite sure about it. I mean, apologies, I'm not saying the country is random, it's very insanely beautiful, but to know it is a bit random. This is, I'm very sure, but I'm less sure than I was 5 seconds ago. The Maldives. But no clue where the capital of that is. This is Pakistan. And I can't remember what the capital is of Pakistan. I think it's not Lahore, is it? I think they moved it. And it confused me. Islamabad, no. I can name lots of places in Pakistan, but I don't know where the capital is. Yeah, Saudi Arabia is quite, I quite really like the flag actually. Saudi Arabia, the capital is Riyadh. Riyadh with a D-H. Riyadh. Coming to the end, so I'm going to go a bit quicker. This is India, and New Delhi is the capital of India. Portugal. Lisbon is the capital of Portugal. I'm going to do one more. Eek. Let's do this one. Nice and easy, right? This is China, and the capital is Beijing. I can't remember it. Oh, hang on. Amman. The is Oman, thank goodness. Okay, we'll do the others another time. Sorry if I didn't get to your lovely country. If you enjoyed the video, click like. And drop me a comment. Tell me if you've been to any of these places. Do you live in them? Would you like to go there? Do you speak their languages? Did I get any of them wrong? You need to tell me. Please, please, please. That's how I learn best. Okay. And I'll see you guys really soon. Take care everyone. Bye 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 bye. Oh, by the way, subscribe's there, likes there, comment, and similar video here.